Quickly into our commodities markets: gold, silver, copper, and platinum. Platinum is $1,560.69. That's for an ounce of platinum, down 1.59%. All of these commodities here are damn in red today. Bloody nose for this market. 0.58% for copper, selling for $507.25, negative 2.95. Silver is $52.60, negative 0.57, down 1.12%. Gold is 4,173%. Gold is still doing very well in this market, above $4,000 for an ounce of gold. 20.90, that's in negative, down 0.50%. Corn, wheat, cocoa, and cotton. Well, it's a mixed bag here. Corn is in red, 0.11, 0.50 in the change that we've seen. $455 per metric ton of corn. Wheat, $554.75. $5,492 is an amount for a metric ton of cocoa, while cotton is $64.59, positive 0.06. Cocoa is negative 162.0, 2.84% down in red. Well, Asian shares stumbled today, joining a global sell-off as hawkish comments from Federal Reserve's officials host down hopes for a United States rate cut next month. While a still messy data calendar added to the angst. MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside of Japan slid 1.6% after stocks on Wall Street snapped a 4-day winning streak overnight, raking up the biggest one-day fall since the Liberation Day tariff turmoil in April. In early European trading, Eurostock 50 futures also down 0.3%. German DAX futures rose 0.1%. That's it here. FTSE futures down 0.4%. US S&P 500 E- futures down 0.2%, which early gains also reversed as deep buying in Asian morning petered out the last traded day down 0.2%. That's in trading, while Nasdaq futures, that's Nasdaq here, 0.5% in red. Japan's Nikkei fell 2%, also bloody nose, I must say, for that market. Australian resources, heavy shares slid 1.4%. That's it here, while South Korea tumbled as much as 3.6%, with losses deepening as the day progressed. Chinese shares eased 0.9% after the release of monthly activities figures, which showed industrial production and retail sales slowing in October, missing analyst estimates and snuffing out short-lived rallies in equities market. Crude oil prices jumped about 2% today on supply fears after a Ukrainian drone attack hit an oil depot in the Russian Black Sea port of Novoski, a major export hub. Now, United States West Texas Intermediate crude, $60.29, an uptick of 2.73%. Brent crude futures sells for $64.56, also with an upward margin of 2.46%. Pony Light sells for $78.62, but has a decline of 2.84%. And 40 OPEC basket dealers offer $63.42, also with a decline of 2.61%.